They say money can't buy happiness, but let's be real. It can definitely buy freedom, choices, and peace of mind. But here's the catch. Most people don't learn how to manage money until it's too late. Scary, right? Well, not for you. Today, I'm going to share 5 powerful money management hacks that can transform your financial future. Stick around because one of these could save you years of regret. Think about it. Why do so many people struggle with money despite working hard? It's not about how much you earn, it's about what you do with it. And here's the hard truth. Most of us were never taught these skills. Schools don't teach them. Parents often don't talk about them. So we're left guessing. And guessing, my friend, leads to stress, debt, and missed opportunities. If managing your money feels like trying to assemble IKEA furniture without the manual, you're not alone. The good news? I've got the manual for you. Let's cut to the chase. Here are 5 money management hacks that will make you wonder, why didn't I learn this sooner? Number 1, the 50-30-20 rule. This is budgeting made simple. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. It's a framework that ensures you're living within your means while building for the future. And no, your daily Starbucks run doesn't count as a need, but what if your income isn't consistent? Don't worry, I'll address that in a moment. Number 2, automate your savings. Set it and forget it. Automating your savings ensures you're consistently putting money aside without relying on willpower. Out of sight, out of mind, and into your future. Quick question. If an unexpected $500 expense popped up tomorrow, would you be ready? If not, it's time to build that emergency fund. Number 3, high interest debt. Attack it. First, debt with high interest is like a financial black hole. It keeps growing while sucking away your future wealth. Prioritize paying off credit cards and other high-interest loans before focusing on investments. Number 4, the power of compound interest. Every dollar you invest today has the potential to grow exponentially over time. The earlier you start, the less you'll need to invest later. Think of it as planting a money tree that keeps giving. But how do you make sure you're investing wisely? Don't worry, I'll get to that shortly. Number 5, track your spending. You can't manage what you don't measure. Use apps or spreadsheets to track every dollar. You'll be shocked at how much those little expenses add up. Awareness is the first step to control. Here's the deal. These hacks work because they're simple and sustainable. But they only work if you take action. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. Every small step you take today brings you closer to financial freedom tomorrow. Building wealth is not about quick fixes or overnight success. It's about habits. And the best time to start? Yesterday. The second best time? Right now. Don't let another month go by without putting these hacks into practice. Start tracking, automating, and planning today. Because your future self is counting on you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money smart tips, and share this video with someone who needs it. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your money.